What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between lateral lunge and archer squat for your at-home workouts. When I'm asking you to do a lateral lunge, we're thinking wide feet, toes straight ahead, they're parallel, super wide. We're gonna squat to one leg. So I'm gonna start out by shifting my weight to the side, sticking my butt back, leaving my knee locked. I'm gonna drop in as low as I can without bending over, trying to keep my chin and chest up, and then I can either alternate sides or I can do one side at a time. Now, all that being said, we could start out of a ready stance and make it more dynamic and alternate back and forth. These could also be weighted. You could hold a kettlebell into a goblet squat position. You could do a barbell on your back. You could do dumbbells, although if I did 2 dumbbells, I would probably straddle the squat leg. But what I want you to be thinking about is maintaining form. It's always wide, it's always feet parallel, it's always chin chest up. Now, on the archer squat, the difference is we go from lateral lunge. At the bottom of our lateral lunge, we're gonna take the straight leg, flip the toes up, and then sit down even lower, stretching the hamstring instead of just the adductor group. So these can be deloaded. You could use a TRX at home. You could use, I've got gymnastics rings here, but you could even put your hands on a countertop or loop a band over something sturdy overhead. But from that same stance, you're gonna shift to one side. At the bottom of that motion, toes flip up and we'll sit down nice and low into it. My heel needs to be down. We don't wanna be in this position. We don't wanna over rotate it. It's gonna put a lot of pressure on the knee. We wanna be toes straight ahead on the heel, toes up, heel down, chin, chest up. These could be alternated. You could do them one side at a time. If you're close to getting them body weight, but you can't quite, try elevating your heels. That'll give you a little bit of an advantage. These require a lot of dorsiflexion in your ankle to be able to get to, kind of like a single leg pistol squat. So if you don't have a lot of range of motion in your Achilles, try to elevate your heel when you first start playing with these body weight, and eventually you're gonna get the hang of it. So hopefully that helps clear everything up. Hopefully you're enjoying the workouts.